So barka da zuwa class namu na gaba. Wancan class din an yi magana akan limits of a function da kuma uniqueness of limits da sauransu. Don ba kalla bidiyon ba ka kuma kalla wa'innan bidiyoyin saboda they are very important. So the aim of this class shine za mu ɗauki computer science curriculum, za mu covering is from farko to the end. So if wannan shine lokacin da kalla wannan bidiyon na farko, wannan muna almost karke-karken module 1 ne a mass 105. To idan ba kalla bidiyon ba kuma kalle su dan sai ka dawo ka ci gaba daga inda ka tsaya. A wannan class zai magana akan limit of trigonometric functions. So a cikin wannan limit of trigonometric functions din akwai wani basic important rule wanda duk evaluating trig function za a yi daga wannan rule din za a yi shi. So wannan rule din is very important. Ga inda yake nan. Limits of just limit limit of what? Of sine, limit of sine x all over x as x tends to 0 is equal to 1. Wannan abin da limit din shi abin da rule din shi kenan. If you have a limit of sine x all over x as x tends to 0, wannan is equal to 1. So no proof, we just take the rule. So it's very important. We are not here to do the proof, right? So but we are going to use this and evaluate some trig functions. And then the other one, you can, this one is just like limit of what? Of 1 minus cos x all over x as x tends to 0, because x is 0. Yes, it's going to be 0. So why they are very important. You can, master them, know them by heart. So they are very important. So these are the most basic sort of this limit of trigonometric functions. So I'm going to use this. Then I'm evaluating some trig functions. So there is one basic one that is I'm going to solve our one away. But let's just start example. Example number 1. Then we evaluate one. Going to find the limit of what? Of sine 5x all over x as x tends to what? As x tends to 0. So now we name what to limit of one sine 5x all over x as x tends to 0 as x tends to 0. So the m of one then she 5x and the 1 now are going to make them to be the same. To be when I saw my number 5x, now come say 5x ish, right? So the m she I made the 1 and the 1 is in the same at the end of and find the number limit of sine x all over x as x tends to 0 is equal to 1. As x tends to 0 is equal to 1. Za mu dawo da shi in form of wannan abu ne. Kun ga nan right now ai wannan da wannan ba a rike bane. So m din mu kenan. In muka zo muka amfani da shi sai mu dawo tunda an ce duka wannan abu is equal to 1, then sai mu substitute din shi zama 1 mu evaluate result din. So ya zani haka. Yadda zani haka shine zan zo mu ce okay, wannan is equal to this. Limit of sine 5x all over what? As x tends to 0 all over x times 1 times a. Same as when we multiplying with this coefficient of 1 x, which is this. So same as when we show what times multiply this over this. Multiplying result then multiplying denominator and denominator by coefficient of 1 and then the sum result and then the number. So what does that mean? So idan muka zo muka haka simply muna da this is going to be limit of my sine 5x all over 5 times x is going to be 5x nan kawai ga 5 din muna nan times 5 din gobe as x tends to 0. So one is going to be what? So sine 5x all over x normally, right? Idan muka zo muka ce let's let's say mu ce y is going to be 5x. Wannan 5x ne ya zama y. So kun ga muna da limit of what? Sine y all over y as, so now I dealing with y, right? So that must say as y tend to 0. So we say as y tend to 0. So but muna da multiplying factor ma a gefe na kusa na manta da ita is 5 is equal to, so limit of menene sin x by x as x tend to 0 is equal to 1. So it's going to be the same. Zai zama iri ɗaya kenan idan aka ce the limit of sin y as y tend to 0. Shi ma is going to be 1. So don haka wannan ɗin is going to be 1 times 5, which is equal to 5. So that is the result, right? Wannan shine result ɗin. Wannan da aka yi. So wannan shine result. So limit of wannan function ɗin, which is menene 5x all over x as x tends to 0 is going to be 5. Very easiest way da zaka gane shine kawai idan tun daga farkon question nan, if you eliminate this, you have 5, so your result is going to be 5. One is a cheat, right? So let's move to example number 2. Now they ask us the limit of menene sine. Let's try tan here. Okay, brown is sine 2x all over 5. Let's say all over 5x, right? As x tends to 0. So until we name limit of 1 as x tends to 0. Kamar yadda na ce muku trick din shine idan kana so idan objectives akwai answer akwai a wurin kawai just eliminate this way next, then your answer is going to be 2 over 5. But idan ana so a nemo solution ana so a ga working step ɗinka, so akwai marking steps, so zai kasance mana da wannan abin da yake mace mana da limit of what? Of sine 2x all over 5x times wannan ita ne coefficient of wannan abin da sai mu ce 2 by 2. So we are going to get this what? Limit of m din shine mai da wannan iri daya. So don haka idan muka zo muka extension nan gurin da nan gurin da muke kuma saboda 5 times 2 is going to be 10. 2 times 5 now is going to be 10. So muna da sine 2x all over, in this case we're going to okay 2x times 2 all over 5, right? Times 2 over 5. So we are going to 2 times 5 is 10, 5 times 2 is 10. So here is okay as x tends to 0. So here is going to be equal to sine 2x. So then we're going to again 2x and then y. When I say y, right? So let 2x equal to y. Right. Then 2x is equal to y. Then say we want to okay limit of y tend to 0 is sine y all over y times 2 all over 5. So wannan gaba ɗayan shi is equal to 1 times 1 over 2 times 2 over 5. I mean, so it's equal to 1 times 2 all over 5. 2 all over 5, right? So it's going to be 2 over 5. Wannan shi ne answer. Right from here, mun ce za mu iya sanin answer mu, but idan ana son ga working step ɗin, then sai mu evaluate result ɗin. Wannan shi ne da za ka bi step by step ka nemo solution ɗinka irin wannan function. But akwai harder ones wanda suka fi wannan, but let's deal with others. Example number 3, right? Example number 3. Let's say actually an bamu wani trick function aka ce ni evaluating ya should we do something like alright, let's try limit of menene 1 minus cos square x minus 1 over x. So as x tends to 0. So in other way, we want to have a remote solution, right? So around this straightforward, when x equals to let's do something 1 cos square x is plus, and then we can do something like this. I want to hear arrange so you like and find the trig identities and I'm gonna idan mun je masu 1 or 3 zamu ga yadda ake deriving trigonometric identities din kuma yadda ake amfani da su a cikin equation. So wannan minus 1 ne, but muna da trig function trig identity wanda ita cewa sin square x, ana rubuta shi somewhere here, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Za mu amfani da wancan trig identity din a cikin nan gurin. So idan muka zo muka ce muna da wannan limit of, sai mu zo shi ke wannan minus 1 din nan sai mu sa shi minus, so za mu yadda za mu mai da wannan abu plus na da wannan in muka samu minus, okay, muka sa 1 a nan muka sa minus and minus is going to be plus, so wannan yana a plus din shi. So cos square x, right, and then all over x. So as x tends to 0, so if that is the case, this is equal to limit, alright, so but 1 minus the wannan equation then idan muka ce mana da sin square x plus, kawai ba sai na bata guri ba, okay, let's just do it for the sake of learning. Sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So yawan ya tsallaka nan wurin zai kuma minus. This is going to be sin square x, right, is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So sin square x they make it 1 minus cos square x. If that is the case, za mu iya substituting din shi a nan wurin muna da 1 minus cos square x, za mu iya sa sin square x. So sai mu zo mu ce nan sai irin 8 but wannan abu is equal to wannan and then this is equal to this. So in this case muna da limit of minus sin square x all over x as x tends to 0. This is equal to sin square x is sin x times sin x divided by sin square x. So sai mu zo mu fara buɗe shi sai mu ce mana da limit of what? Of wannan abun is going to minus into za mu iya cewa haka no saboda wannan minus din we need to like bring it back saboda it's something like a constant, right? So we need to bring the minus back. Minus limit of sin x all over x times limit of what? Of sin x all over x. Now, are we right? Yes, we are on our way. So 1 now is 1, 1 number is 1. So 1 times 1 is nothing but what? But 1. As x tends to 0. As x tends to 0. So is 1 minus. So I am just comma 1 minus 1 times 1, which is equal to minus 1. So limit of menene of wannan function din gaba daya, limit of what? Cos square x minus 1 all over x as x tends to 0 is going to be minus 1. So this is how we evaluate this yadda muka samu wancan ansan na ƙarshe kenan. So mun yi amfani da wancan abun wannan root din mun yi substituting shi mun sa a cikin wa'innan abu mun samu result din. Wannan is going to be the last example. Yes, I don't want the video to be too long. So this is it. Wannan shine as always shine role din, right? So example number 4. Za mu je mu yi limit of menene tan and x all over x as x tends to 0, right? So wannan limit din zamu very simple. Tan x is what? Let's just do something as x tends to 0. Mun riga mun san cewa tan x da yake da menene sin x all over cos x, right? So tan is sin all over cos. Dan haka sai mu zo mu ce okay, wannan da yake da mace muna da tan x all over 1, saboda anything is divided by 1 is over 1, then times 1 all over x or 2, 1 x each. So this is equal to limit of what? Of sin x all over cos x times 1 all over x. 1 as x tends to 0, right? So wannan ne yake da mace muna da sai mu interchange din saboda muna so ne mu samu irin wannan abu, sai mu interchange din wannan da wannan saboda cos x times x da yake da cos x times x da yake da x times cos x. So mu canza kuma ba muna da limit of what? Of sin x all over x times 1 all over cos x, right? As x tends to 0. So muna da wannan din is going to be 1, right? So wannan din is 1. So muna da 1 times cos 0 is 1. Yeah, cos 0, if you are calculated, if you press cos 0, it's going to give you 1. The sin 0 is not 1 but cos 0, because cos is x-axis, then cos 0 is going to be 1. So if x tends to 0 and then you put cos 0 is going to be 1, here we have 1 divided by 1, we have 1. So times 1 is equal to 1. So that means wannan abun gaba daya, the limit of tan x all over x as x tends to 0 is equal to 1. Wannan shine example number na ƙarfi da muka duba a cikin wannan abun. There are many examples da aka iya zuwa ka exploring ɗinsu saboda for exercise purpose, for learning purpose, and then we see you in the next video. Yes.